Number 1. Chevrolet Impala. 1960 year of issue. Presenting this 1960 Chevrolet Impala four-door sedan that is finished in a Sunstand copper poly color and was rolled off the assembly line in Oakland, California, equipped with an automatic transmission, V8 engine, single carburetor, quad headlamps, chrome bumpers, driver's side mirror, fender-mounted antenna, rear front bench seats, two-spoke steering wheel with horn ring, white line tires, and a full-size spare tire in the trunk. A recently discovered American classic that has been sitting for many years just waiting to be restored. For $7,950 USD, links to listings below. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz 190 Sedan, 1959 year of issue. For sale is a 1959 Mercedes 190 Ponton. This car has been sitting in storage since 2019. It runs and drives fairly well, but do not expect it to be a daily driver. Could use TLC. The body is very straight and appears to be free of accidents. It has been a local car all of its life. The previous owner had the car for many years in Carmel Valley. He passed away and his family sold the car. The body has very minimal rust. No sign of any notable accidents. Watch the video to see for yourself. The interior is in good shape. The 1959 Mercedes-Benz 190 sedan, also known by its internal designation W121, is a classic example of mid-20th century German automotive engineering. Part of the Ponton series, which was Mercedes-Benz's first line of models to feature a unibody design. The 190 sedan is renowned for its robust build quality, understated elegance, and reliability. Engine: the 1959 model typically came with a 1.9-liter inline-4 engine producing around 75 horsepower. This engine provided a balanced performance suitable for both city driving and longer journeys. Transmission: it was usually equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, contributing to its engaging driving experience. Design: the exterior design featured smooth, rounded lines, which were modern for its time. The front grille with the iconic Mercedes-Benz star, round headlights, and chrome details added to its classic appeal. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 3. Studebaker Champion Sedan, 1974 year of issue. 1951 Studebaker Champion Bullet Nose 2-door Sedan. Solid car starts, runs dependably. Rebuilt engine, rebuilt starter, new clutch, wiring harness, master cylinder 8 years ago. No rust on body. Maui blue paint was on car when purchased, engine compartment painted when engine rebuilt. Paint has some scratches, light blistering, but overall looks great. Passenger floor pan rusted with patch, trunk floor pan repaired. Solid chassis, all original engine with Pertronix ignition, original points in box. All gauges except speedometer work. All original interior with several rips, holes in door panels, front seat and headliner. Original chrome, dependable Sunday driver, never fails to start run. New car cover, some spare parts and vehicle-specific tools, wheel puller, valve spring compressor. Links to listings below. Number 4. Triumph TR6, 1974 year of issue. The car is a 1974 survivor driver with about 112. 5K miles, about 45K since engine overhaul. We've owned and driven it, summers only since 1981. We are reluctantly selling it only because we have too many cars and not enough garage space nor time to play with them. Last summer it got less than 100 miles. Very good original condition, some rust. The car has never been driven in the winter or while salt remains on the road since we purchased it, always garaged. The rust is minimal and generally where you would expect to find it, around seams. The floors, battery box, frame, and spare tire area are solid with some surface rust. On the left rear fender there is bubbling in one area and is actually through in one spot, which has been that way for all the years we've owned it and hasn't changed. I'd say the disturbed area is about 12 inches in length by 4 inches in width, and the hole is about the size of a pencil eraser. Number 5. Mercury Montclair Phaeton Coupe. 1957 year of issue. Then representing the midpoint of Mercury's lineup, this 1957 Mercury Montclair Phaeton Coupe is one of 30,111 similar cars built that year and is described by its selling dealer as an original example, possibly including its paint. The selling dealer says the Montclair is in overall good condition, citing no specific body blemishes or other imperfections. The Mercury's expansive chrome looks to be complete and in very good overall condition. The dashboard appears to be protected from solar damage by a vinyl cover. The 312 cu.in.ohv V8 factory rated at 255 horsepower is reported to be original. The engine has no stated rebuild history. The gray vinyl and cloth upholstery looks to be in good, damage-free shape. The headliner appears to be in very good condition. The dashboard shows no damage and has a black vinyl protective cover. The engine bay presents as clean. Links to listings below.